So the first thing I'm going to suggest to you to do is blatant plug for Neil's Amazon SEO book if you don't want to get my full course. So go to amazon.com, type in Amazon SEO, and you will see my book there, Amazon SEO, How to Get Your Products to Page 1 of the Amazon search results. That's the book. It's a bestseller on Amazon, and that's got loads and loads of great ideas in it. There's also my more comprehensive Amazon SEO course, which is at amazonseo.com.au, amazonseo.com.au, and that is also a very, very comprehensive course and gets some amazing feedback from the people that go through it, as well as, very importantly, they get great results when they apply the information as well. So I'm going to put that out there first because SEO is a complex thing, and it's impossible for me to tell you everything that you need to do in this kind of environment. I just don't have the time to do that in this kind of environment. But let me give you a couple of the top points that I possibly can, okay? The top points are, as far as SEO, on-page SEO goes, your title, which is that, has got the majority of the on-page SEO weight. So that is probably the most important thing, all things being equal, for SEO, for your product listing page, okay? For how do you get SEO for a result like this? Well, let's do a result. Let's do something. Let's do Rocket. So here I am. I've come to Amazon, and I am looking for a rocket to buy for myself. All right. So I've typed in the word rocket. So the top listing here is this one here. That's the top organic listing. So these are paid listings, sponsored, paid listings, also sponsored. These ones across here, all paid listings. Here is the top organic search result, or what we would think of as SEO search result, okay? Now let's just alter things a little bit. And that's just based on me searching for rocket. Now let's pretend I want to get a model rocket. Okay, let's do that search. Model rocket, not kit, just model rocket. So now again, I've got some sponsored listings, and now I've got a different search results page, although Amazon's Choice still ranks at the top, but I've got a different set of listings. So if I go model rocket kit, all right, so now I've got somebody advertising a helicopter. Whoever's doing PPC for that should be shot. And somebody here selling a rocket kit. But now I've got a different set of search results, okay? So here's the most important thing I know about doing SEO on Amazon, and it's this. Your job, you may not realize this, your job is to make Amazon money. That's your job. If you figure that out, you're going to find your life much, much easier. Amazon is a publicly listed company. Their job is to make money for their shareholders. Therefore, the products that make the most money always get put at the top of the search engine results page. So what the hell does that mean? Different search terms will have different pages and different results given to them. So here we have these as the top 3 results. Well, over time, Amazon looks at people who search for that, model rocket kits, which one of these 3 listings will make Amazon the most money, the most sales, as a result of people performing that search. And the one that makes the most sales will always be, over time, the top listing, okay? Now you can game that system by doing a launch and a lot of other stuff to make yourself temporarily the top listing, but over time, if your listing is not making sales for Amazon, it won't stick. Your SEO won't stick and you'll just drop down. So the most important thing that you can do as a seller on Amazon is to realize that part and parcel of your job is to provide a relevant result for a given search term, and you'll know you're being relevant when Amazon rewards you with the top spot, because what Amazon is ultimately saying is your listing makes more money than anybody else's for that one specific search term. That's what Amazon's really saying when it comes to SEO. Now, that is explained in a lot more detail in the SEO courses and also in the SEO book, but that, if I can impart anything at all about SEO, it is that for you. And if you grasp that, everything about Amazon will become so much easier for you. Once you realize that it is not about you and what you want, it is about what Amazon wants, and your customer and what your customer wants. And your job is to marry those two things up. And if you do that, you'll make a killing on Amazon. And if you fight against it, you'll be left wondering why Amazon doesn't work for you. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.